What's up? It's your boy back in a brand new video, guys. I'm bringing you guys a fabulous fucking video. I am gonna put this Instagram on today's screen of my boy. He hosted his car meet, and it was his very last one down in my area. So I'm still gonna drop his Instagram in today's video at a random part of time in the video. I don't know when, but it's just gonna be random, y'all. So make sure you go follow him. You can also follow me on Instagram as well. I'm gonna be having the links down in today's description of the video as well. So give me a follow, drop me a follow, drop him a follow. And yeah, we ain't Danny cool or not. But just got done going to the car meet. The car meet that I went to was fabulous. Best one at fucking yet I went to, actually, because all the other ones, yeah, no. Fucking crazy ass bullshit. That's all I'm gonna say. It's crazy ass bull fucking shit. Well, I hope you guys still enjoy the video. Peace. Well, you don't understand that shit. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm oh, hell yeah! Hell fucking yeah! He said 9! He said pull up! And then my second one is Benny's Mixed Life. Alright, spaces. Doesn't really matter how you do it. It still show up.
Yeah. I got this.
Videos might not be as good, but hey, it's still fucking YouTube. It's still fucking something. Yeah. Yo, there's people swinging in, coming in. Like, what the fuck's going on now? Yeah? This man fucking Kelly's just swinging at every corner he takes. I don't know. I gotta keep recording. But guys, make sure you follow this man on IG. His Instagram is going to be posted right here one last time. So make sure you go follow him for any car meets or particular. He is going to be starting a YouTube channel real soon. So make sure you follow him. And yeah, more car meets, more on the way.